Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to the IFN Dhaba. I'm your chef and your host Seema. Summers are around the corner, so today we are going to be doing a lemongrass cooler. Here we take juice of 1 lime. We take sugar syrup. You can add sugar also if you want. And this is water of lemongrass. We have taken sprigs of lemongrass and boiled it in water for some time and then removed this water. That's how you see this water is light green in color. We add in some ice cubes. We add in a little salt, a little bit of jeera powder. Stir it well. And we just add in sprigs of lemongrass. And we have it absolutely chilled. So here we have our lemon cooler which is ready to quench our thirst. All ready to quench your thirst? So please do make this drink and let us know how you liked it. Like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.